Hey guys, I'm back. Would you believe me if I told you that an interest rate of 4.75 exists in this market? Yes, you heard that right. A 4.75 qualifying interest rate still exists here in Dallas, Fort Worth. Also, you have newer homes priced in the lower $200,000 range all the way up to the mid threes. So there is still opportunity out here. Home ownership is not out of reach. In a minute, I am going to show you guys this beautiful home. It's a starter home. They have much more to choose from, but I want you guys to get a sneak peek so that you guys know that opportunity still awaits. Let's go!
Now take a look at this beauty. I mean, this home is not for everybody, but it's for somebody, right? That's a sneak peek of the neighborhood and the roads. And as we enter this home, please be mindful. We're located in a community out in Kaufman County, which is on average maybe 25 to 30 minutes outside of Dallas. Now, for this home, everything it's going to be pretty much builder grade, right? It's going to be super neutral, I don't want to call it basic, but just a builder grade, which, it has its pros and cons, but it also gives you the opportunity to do some DIY projects. Just think about it. If this home was decked out with super modern light fixtures, upgraded flooring, or if the rooms that they didn't have carpet, I mean, those elements come with a premium, right? So that's the beauty of it, is that once you move into a home like this, you get to make it your own. So they build these homes that pretty much has a wider reach and that would have more buyer demand versus just customizing everything. And this is a quality builder here outside of Dallas, Fort Worth. And the one that we're in, it's in the lower 300,000s. If you want to treat this as a starter home, you could. It could be a forever home. Or let's say you live in this home for a couple of years and you want to upgrade, you want to downsize, or you decide to relocate. This is a home that in fact, you get to keep it, right? You could add this to your portfolio. So it's not about how you start, it's about how you finish, right? It's about, hopefully our goal as citizens is to, own multiple homes. And that may not be a goal for you or everybody. And I hate to paint a broad, paintbrush for people, but it's your right. It's home ownership. It's a beauty. And, this is the owner suite. It has a double vanity and it's super neutral. You have the option to paint the cabinets. If you would like to redo the tile that's in the bathroom and the shower, you have that option. This is a nice size owner suite closet with a few built-in shelves for shoes. So, I feel like this is spacious enough for maybe a family of 4, and you get a chance to live your life and not be brushing elbows with your friends and family. So, but this home, it is a 1.5 story. And up here, you just have the media room. You could treat this as a game room, or if you want to do a workout area, if you would like to make this a man cave. But it kind of gives you some seclusion in your home if you want a chance to get away from some of the common areas that you and your family would get to enjoy, or if you are wanting to entertain, you have ample space up here. So, with interest rates being a little higher than normal, it's a great opportunity for a home buyer to take advantage of the incentives that builders are throwing at you. They're paying for closing costs. They are paying for rate buy downs. I mean, there's so many incentives that one could take advantage of. Each home, it comes with a fence, a side, a sprinkler system, and this backyard is spacious. I mean, if you have pets, if you're a pet lover, this is plenty of green space for your furry friends. So you have a covered back patio. If you want to grill or have a couple of chairs out here to, enjoy this Texas weather, you have the opportunity to do it. So, and this is just an aerial view of the neighborhood that we're in. And for this builder, I mean, they are located across the entire Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And you just pick your poison, right? This is a production builder that has plenty of inventory all across the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So if you are looking for a place to start, I mean, that's the perfect place to begin, right? And, it's an opportunity. Just a few more things to note. This home is located in a HOA community. I'm a huge fan of HOA communities as long as they are affordable. And in most communities are outside of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, they are affordable, and they bring structure to the community. It helps protect the integrity of it, and really you get a sense of you get pride in home ownership. So.
Hey guys, real quick, I want to invite you to click the link down in my description because I want to simply connect with you, get to know you, and just have a quick 10 or 15 minute coaching call just to unpack whatever your real estate goals are. We help many of viewers just like you locally or watching from out of state accomplish their real estate goals. So if you are a first-time home buyer, if you desire to build your home, if you want access to some of the best deals across Dallas-Fort Worth, if you are a veteran, if you want to explore zero-down options or want access to some of the best lenders, we can serve you. We are a one-stop shop when it comes to real estate. So I want to invite you right now to click that link down below, or if you have a quick question, simply call or text me down below. Thank you.